Today we're heading up north to the tiny island of Mackinac. Everybody show your starbies. Yes. Alright, so we made it to our campsite. We're staying at Mackinac Mill Creek Campground, just on the northern coast of the Lower Peninsula. We have a view of Mackinac Island, we have a view of the bridge, and it is so beautiful. This campground is amazing. Talked about doing for a couple of years, and we just haven't made the time to do it. And so now we've snuck away for 2 nights. Tomorrow we'll head over to Mackinac Island, and I'm really glad we decided to do this. Quick cut to the time I almost ran my drone into all of my friends. That's a beautiful sunset. We've got to go see it. Let's see the sunset. It was worth the run. This is another test of the tiny microphone. All of my friends are super into ASMR, so I decided to give it a little go tonight. Kate and I we've been friends for like 15 years, but I think this is our first night sleeping in a bed together, so kind of a big deal. Welcome to a tiny micro view of Mackinac Island. We are now on the ferry departing, and it was a very swell day. Here you'll see the lighthouse behind me. I have no idea the historical context. of the lighthouse, but it's there and it's beautiful.